Welcome to my channel, Little Fox Fun TV. Let's learn about the alphabet letters using sea animal's name. A for angelfish. B for blue whale. C for clownfish. D for dolphin. E for eel. F for flounder. G for great white shark. H for hammerhead shark. I for isopod. J for jellyfish. K for killer whale. L for lobster. M for manatee. N for narwhal. O for octopus. P for penguin. Q for quahog. R for ray. S for seahorse. T for turtle. U for urchin. V for viperfish. W for walrus. X for X-ray fish. Y for yellowfin tuna. Z for zooplankton. Thanks for watching. Please press the bell icon to subscribe my channel.